Hello students, my name is Professor Vijay Gajdane. I am working as an assistant professor in electronics and telecommunication in TSSM's Divrabai Sawant College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune. Today we will going to conduct an experiment number 1. That is, the name of the experiment is nothing but the interfacing of LED to blink after every second by using Arduino Uno. This experiment is included in the syllabus of second year of engineering in SPPU examination from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So let's start for doing the experiment number 1. This is the title of the experiment number 1, interfacing of LED to blink after every 1 second using Arduino Uno, and the aim is to interface LED to blink after every 1 second using Arduino Uno. So which are the apparatus required for doing this practical? Actually, the apparatus, first of all, compulsory we require, that is nothing but the Arduino board. Okay, second one is nothing but computer with the software. Third one is nothing but the LED, as we are going to blink that LED. And finally, we're connecting wires. So these are the 4 different types of the apparatus which we require to complete or to make this experiment. Okay, so we have to write one type of programming. Okay, that programming is called as a sketch in Arduino Uno language. So before writing that sketch, what is the algorithm actually? Let's start. So first step in the algorithm is nothing but always it is a start. Second step, we have to configure port pin as the output pin where LED is connected. Okay, we have to assign a one port pin to which LED is connected and through which we can get the output. Third step in the algorithm is nothing but we have to send logic 1 to the port pin. Okay, we have to send logic 1. Logic 1 is nothing but we have to give an instruction to that Arduino pin as LED is going to become an on. Okay, that's why the logic 1 is mentioned over here. Here, the word logic 1 is nothing but LED on, and logic 0 in the fifth step, that is nothing but LED off. Okay, so the idea may be clear in your mind that send the logic 1 to the port pin. Okay, which port pin we have selected in step number 2. To that port pin, we should have to send a logic 1. Next, fourth step in the algorithm is nothing but give a delay of 1 second. Okay, unless and until we are not giving the delay to that on and off procedure, okay, we are not able to see whether that LED is going to on or whether that LED is going to off. So in between that on and off process, we should have to give compulsory a delay of 1 second. Okay, next step in the algorithm, that is the fifth step, that is nothing but the send logic 0. As in the third step, we are sending logic 1 to the port pin, that is nothing but the LED on. Okay, so next fifth step is nothing but send logic 0 to the port pin which we have assigned in step number 2. And again we should have to give a delay of 1 second after that logic 0. Okay, and we should have to repeat these all steps. So seventh step in the algorithm, go to the step 2 means here, and repeat the procedure again and again, and finally the eighth step in the algorithm is nothing but the stop. Okay, so here is the sketch. As per the algorithm, we should able to write one sketch. The word sketch is the meaning over here what? It is nothing but the program for LED blinking. So what exactly program is going on here? Let's see one by one. One by one instruction we're going to see in detail. So first of all, we should have to set up what exactly the program is divided into two parts. First of all, Arduino program is going to divide into two parts. Keep in your mind. That is the void setup and void loop. Okay, this is the void setup and this is the void loop. Each and every Arduino program is going to divide into these two steps. So first of all, what we have to set up on Arduino board, that will going to write into that void setup, and what procedure which we are going to repeat again and again, that will going to write in the void loop function. So void setup function and void loop function, these are the two different types of function, and these are compulsory in any Arduino programming. So in a void setup, there is a function that is the pin mode, means we should have to initialize a digital pin number 13 over here as an output. Pin mode function is used for initializing the pin, means to which pin we should have to get the output. So this is the syntax for the pin mode function. Okay, pin comma value. So pin mode into bracket 13 comma output. The word or this instruction means, or comment for the instruction is nothing but we should have to initialize digital pin number 13 as an output over here. Next part, the loop function. This is the loop function. Okay, runs over and over again forever, means this runs again and again. So under that void loop function, first instruction is nothing but the digital write, means we should have to first of all going to LED on, after that LED going to off. Okay, so for doing the LED on, there is an instruction that is nothing but the digital write. Okay, this is the digital write into bracket pin comma value. So pin comma value is nothing but pin already we have set in the pin mode function, that is the pin number 13. Okay, and value is nothing but the high, means we should have to give a logic 1 over here. Okay, logic 1 is nothing but the LED is on. Okay, and the concept of high is also nothing but the LED is on. So what is the command for the digital write 13 comma high? Turn the LED on. Okay, high is nothing but the voltage level. Next instruction is nothing but delay of 1000. Okay, delay of 1000. This is in a milliseconds. That's why 1000 is nothing but the 1 second. So wait for a second. And next instruction is nothing but the digital write 13 comma low. So the meaning of this instruction is nothing but the turn the LED off by making the voltage low. And for how much time? So we should have to give the delay again for the 1 second, that is the delay of 1000. Okay, here 1000 means 1000 millisecond, that is nothing but the 1 second. And in this way we're going to uh, make out, or we are going to complete the sketch of the LED blinking, and we will run this sketch on a software, Arduino software. So let's start. So students, now due to the COVID pandemic condition, everyone is sitting at their home safely. Okay, so we will going to conduct an experiment with the help of virtual software tools. So here, for making that Arduino, programs, we are going to take a virtual software tool as a Tinkercad software. Okay, Tinkercad. So I am just open out the Google, then write down Tinkercad. Okay, whenever you are pressing that Tinkercad, so this is the first site, that is the www.tinkercad.com. Open that Tinkercad, then as my account is already existence into the Tinkercad Autodesk website, so it is directly going to open. But if your account is not opening into the Tinkercad, so go and create your account. So here, this is the dashboard of my Tinkercad. On the left side, circuits is to be given. So I'm pressing that tab. Okay, and already LED blinking Arduino program is there. So I'm going to tinkering this experiment. Okay, students. So this is the area where we have to make different types of the connections by using these all electronic components. Okay, so these are the different types of the electronic components. So what we're going to require over here, that is nothing but the Arduino Uno first of all. So I'm just pick up and drop that Arduino Uno. Okay, so first of all, we're going to change the name. Experiment number one, LED blinking. Okay, so this is the Arduino Uno board. Now, second basic component we are requiring, that is nothing but the LED. Okay, so this is the LED. As LED is having two terminals. First one is nothing but the anode, and second one is nothing but the cathode over here. So that is going to connect into Arduino. So ground pin is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Okay, and we can directly connect the anode terminal of the LED to the 13 digital pin. But rather than to connect directly, we should have to use one resistor for limiting the current into the anode terminal. So we're going to connect this anode terminal to the LED, anode terminal of the LED to the pin number 13. Okay, so this is the connection. Now we're going to write. So this is the connection which we have completed in each and every manner. Now it is our duty to write the program. So here is the code section. Go to the code, into that text. Okay, and this is the text which is used for LED blinking programming. So void setup pin mode 13 comma output means at the pin number 13 we should have to take the output. Then void loop, then digital write, that is the 13 comma high means we should have to on the LED, and we should have to keep the on LED for the 1 second, that is the 1000 millisecond. Then digital write 13 comma low, and we should have to off that LED for 1000 millisecond, that is nothing but the 1 millisecond. So code is also correct. So let's start for the simulation. So I'm going to start the simulation over here by pressing the start simulation. Here it is seen, or it is clearly visible to you that is LED is going to blink over here. Okay, LED is going to blink over here. 1 second for on, then off. 1 second for on, then off. That is the LED blinking program by using Arduino Uno. Okay, friends. So we're going to stop this simulation. So I think all of you have understood this experiment number one. Thank you.